everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jessica, and today I have my update for Nightmare on Pan Street. This is a PANtastic Ladies collab. It was created by Val and Jaylon. They're going to be listed down below, so you can go check them out. And there's going to be a spreadsheet down there as well with like the tons of people that have joined into this project. It is a year long. It started on Halloween of this year and will end on Halloween of next year, and it's all about horror movies. Because who doesn't love horror movies? Okay, I know there's a lot of people that probably don't. I happen to love them. I like to be a little bit scared every now and again. That's just how I roll. So I believe they originally said to start with either 6 or 13 products. I started with 13, and even though I don't have any empties or rollouts this month, I am going to roll in a few more because I would like to actually do all of the prompts in this, as opposed to just rolling them in as I'm done, and then I might not get to some of the prompts. I would rather at least dabble in a little bit of all of the prompts than not get to them, because they were so well thought out, and I don't want to leave a single one behind. I hope that makes sense. I'm going to show you some of the products from my original intro that I actually have used, and then I'm going to bring in 3 new products for 3 new horror movies. I'm just literally going down the line, and instead of doing it roulette style, I took like the top 13, and now like I've added the next 3 onto the list. All right, let's start with, I have to figure out where I was. For A Quiet Place, it's a product that makes you speechless. I have the Exuviance Targeted Lip Filler, and it literally makes me speechless while I have to put it on and let it sit in, because I don't want any extra lines or creasing around my mouth when I put this on, because it's supposed to plump it up and give you more like youthful look to your lips. I've always had very thin lips, so anything that's going to help them, I will happily be quiet for. This was brand new when I brought it in, and as you can see, I have used up a fair amount. I literally use this every single night. I have my line right here, and we're just going to keep plugging away at it for a while, and I definitely think this is going to be done by the finale, but we got plenty of time. Halloween just ended not that long ago, so we're good. We're good. 11 more months. The next one is The Exorcist. I liked that movie. That is something that makes your head spin with delight. That's hair masks. I absolutely love my hair masks, especially Not Your Mother's. This isn't my absolute favorite Not Your Mother's hair mask, but it is really, really good. I just think the matcha green tea is, it's a little bit heavier and thicker and more moisturizing. So if you have like extremely dry hair like me, that one's a little bit better. If you have slightly finer hair, I think this blood orange is probably a little bit more appropriate for you. But anywho, get on to the point, Jessica. I am down to here. It was brand new. It probably started up in this range, so I've definitely used some. I had to finish another one. This is my second one, and then I started working on this one. I'm not worried about it. All right, what is the next one that I have? That is for Psycho, a product that makes you crazy. I've been crazy for a long time, but you know, sometimes products will do that to you too. This one, I actually really like the product a whole lot, but the packaging, it drives me nuts. This is the Lancome Clarifique Double Essence. I really like this. You put it on before you start putting your skincare on, and it's supposed to help like really get the skincare to penetrate better. But I don't know if you can see this thing in here. It has like, you shake it and it mixes it up, which is a nice thing. But then you have to like shake it out into your hand and like pat it all over your face. No, that doesn't work for me. So I have put it into a little spray bottle. Like, I shake it up before I put any in, so it's good and mixed. And I put just the tiniest amount in here, and I always shake before I like spritz it on my face. This is like a super, super fine sprayer, which is why I kept this. But there's like almost nothing left in here. So what's used up is pretty much gone. And it is right here. It was up into the neck when I first started. So I'm making good progress on that. I'm happy about it. Not worried about that one being done by the finale either. All right, moving on to Carrie, an item that is a sin not to have in your collection. Carrie is another one that I really liked a whole lot. Some, like the ones that are from that I watched when I was younger, when like they really scare you, those are the ones that speak to me. Not that the newer ones aren't nicer or aren't nice, but I don't know, there's something about the nostalgia of the really old ones. I appreciate those. So something that's a sin for me not to have in my collection is tea tree oil. My skin loves it. My skin needs it. I even like it for my hair because, you know, that's how I roll. This is the New York Biology tea tree oil. I started here at this purple line. Now I am down here. This is going to be very slow going because I usually add it like a bunch at a time into like my foundations or moisturizer or whatever. And then I might not touch it for a few months until that moisturizer or that foundation or whatever is done. And then, you know, when I have to mix up some more, then I'll use more. I just happen to have mixed up some in a moisturizer. That's why I actually had progress. But this one's going to be very slow going. Next one, and probably the last one that I'm going to no, I have two more to show you before I show you my roll-ins. This is a Nightmare on Elm Street, kind of like the project namesake, and that is a dupe for an item you dream about purchasing. I love the Benefit Gimme Brow, but it's not cruelty-free, and it's like, it's expensive. It truly is. So, tons of people told me that the Essence Make Me Brow is a dupe for it. I do really like this one a whole lot, so that is like my product that is a dupe. And this isn't the right color for me. It's a little bit light. So I'm going to have to get the next darkest color next time I get some. But I can't really, I could weigh it if I actually had gotten a battery for my scale, which we know I haven't done. I just keep using it. It's going to be going for a while. There's still plenty of product on there. I've only been using this for a month, so I expect it to last for a good long time. All right, and then Pet Cemetery. It is pick a graveyard item, and this is a nod to Emily from Emily and Max, who does the Graveyard Project Pan. This pinky glitter from Coastal Scents has been in plenty of projects before. I wanted to be able to actually measure it in some tangible way. So I kind of tilted it on its side, and you can see like this pinky purple line here is where it started. The blue is where I am now. So I'm just going to keep tracking it that way. Definitely think I can have this one done hopefully by the end of the year, maybe by the next update. That would be really cool. That would be super cool. All right, that is everything from the intro till now, and I'm going to bring in the next three prompts and the next three products. First one is The Shining. That was a nice scary movie. And the prompt is twins, an item for which you have a backup. I have the Avon Pore Reducer Mask. This was in, I think, 10 uses this year. And I made good progress on it. I do have another brand new one, but of course I'm going to use the one that I've already started on. So this blue line is where I'm starting. It definitely gets much wider down here, but yep, that is my twins for The Shining. And for Friday the 13th, that is a summer themed product. I have the lotion bar, another new one. I have a bunch of these in the scent Caribbean Breeze, which I love that. It's, I don't know, going to the Caribbean vacation, that's what it makes me think of, and that smell of being on the beach. So that's why it makes me think of summer. And for Children of the Corn, it is a food-related item. It can be the name, the shape, scent, whatever. This is name and scent, of course. This is the Shea Moisture Coconut and Hibiscus Curl Enhancing Smoothie. So we've got the coconut there. It's a smoothie. It smells exactly like a pina colada. I want to stick a spoon in it and eat it. It smells so good. If you like coconut and pineapple scent, this stuff is delicious. But it's not for fine hair. It's only if you have like thick hair like mine. This is where we are starting right here because I have previously used it. This is going to take me a while, but I'm not worried about it. I'm not worried about this one at all, unless I like stick my spoon in it. And then y'all need to worry about me because it means I've gone completely psycho. All right, I am going to wrap this up. Definitely go check out Val and Jaylon. They're going to be down below. Jaylon is on Instagram as well as YouTube, where Val is only on Instagram. But If you look on Jaylon's channel, Val was actually there and they filmed the intro for it there on her channel. So you can actually see Val in video. We would love to get her to actually start a YouTube channel because she's such a natural in front of the camera, as you can see when she was with Jaylon. So Val, if you're watching, start your YouTube channel. We want to see more Val. We do. All right. Check out everyone else down below. If you want to join in, it is not too late. There is plenty of time to jump on this. 11 more months to go. All right. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until I see you in my next video, have a beautiful day.